Hello everyone and welcome back. Nice to see you guys. My name is NikkaNadia and today we're going to be doing a short fun tutorial to a tabla or drum solo by Artem Uzunov. And this one is called Touch My Heart. I like to begin by listening to the music together. Great. So this is what it sounds like. Let's get started. We're going to begin on our right foot with our left foot beveled. So coming up onto our tiptoe. We begin our choreography with a hip drop. Doom, doom, rat-dat, da-da-da-da, doom, rat-dat, da-da-da-da. So we do the same thing twice in a row. Our arms are going to be back, okay, framing our hips a bit. Elbows are not straight back nor out to the sides, about 45 degrees in between. Our chest is lifted. Remembering, when we drop our hip, we don't bounce. So the hip isolates and drop. Rat-dat, da-da-da-da, drop. Rat-dat, da-da-da. So that's a hip drop and then a camel, an undulation down. Chest, stomach, hips, hip drop, chest, stomach, hips. Okay, let's try it without the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. Rolling down and a drop, rolling down. Very nice. We'll move along to the next. We're going to take this left foot, step, arms come out to the sides a bit, and hip accent, bump to the side. As this foot comes in, I'm going to bring my toe in on my tiptoe. My knee is coming in and bent. My arms go snake arm, snake arm. So shoulder, shoulder. Then other side. Step, hip accent, and arm, arm. I'm starting with the same arm as hip that was out. So again, we have hip drop, rolling down, hip drop, rolling down, step, hip accent side, arm, arm, step, hip accent side, arm, arm. Let's try it without the arms first. We have drop, roll down, and a drop, roll down, and a step. Bump, pull it in, step. Bump, pull it in. Now we're going to add the arms. We have drop, roll down, and a drop. Roll down and a step. Bump, arm, arm, step. Bump, arm, arm. Shall we try that much with the music? Here we go. Starting with our hip drop, arms are back, and again, this much. We have okay. Next, we are going to do a chest lift. So we just had hip accent side, foot draws in, arm, arm, chest accent up. We take this front leg, cross it over, rat-dat, ra-da-da-da, all the way around to where we were, heel drop. So all I'm doing is coming up onto my tiptoes a bit and dropping down on doom or boom. Again, from the beginning, we have drop, roll down, da-da-da-da, drop, roll down, da-da-da-da, side, snake arm, da-da-da-da, side, arm, arm, da-da-da-da, lift, cross legs, turn around and heels. Okay? Again, without the music and then with. Drop, roll down, da-da-da-da, drop, roll down. Up, cross legs, turn around, heel, drop. Okay, moving along, I made this one nice and simple with lots of repetition, so that would be easy peasy, nice and smooth, just to have fun and move to some music today. Again, from the chest lift, cross your leg, let yourself unwind. You're going to be about unwinded when you still have a quarter of the way to go, so you just use the momentum of that turn to bring you around. Yes? Then from there, doom, da, 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 da. And so for this next one, all we're doing is stepping into our next position with lots of grace and elegance and poise. So drop, stepping, right foot back to prepare arms open. And then similar to how we began, we drop once again, then take hip circle, omi. Again, drop, hip circle, omi, and then there's a tek. So for that last one, we are going to drop, circle, room. Like you're throwing something to the wind. Okay? Let's go from chest lift. We have lift, cross legs, da-da-da-da, heels, step back, prepare and drop. Hip circle again, drop. Hip circle and whoosh. So this arm, right arm, is going to come down and we look. Turn your head away a bit first to gather some momentum. You can get your hair to move a little bit more that way. Boom. Okay, let's try it all. Taking a big breath, preparing. We have side accent, chest up, turn around, heels, step back, prepare. Again. Yes, it's fun, right? Let's do it a few more times. Taking a big breath. Here we go. I'll talk you through it one more time in case it's confusing anywhere. And I'd also love to hear from you. Any questions or comments below, I will absolutely get back to you. And I'll be sure to link this tabla for you as well. One more time without the music, talking through, we have a big hip drop, accent down, undulate, chest, stomach, hips, hip drop, undulate, chest, stomach, hips, step, accent side, drag, slide this foot in as we go arm, arm. Perhaps that's the hardest part of it all because we're doing two things at once. Step, accent, arm, arm, chest up, cross legs, unwind, heel drop, step back, prepare, and a drop. Hip circle and a drop. Hip circle and a whoosh. Ready? Let's do it a few more times with the music. We have drop, rumba, side, side, chest, cross legs, da 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 da, heels, step back, big breath in, drop. Once more. Here we go. I'd also love to see a video of you doing it. And I think we need to do it once more just for fun. Ready? Here we go. Thank you so much for joining. Take a little bit of time to stretch and cool down and have a wonderful rest of your day or evening.